Hey, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send connection request on LinkedIn.com. LinkedIn is a top social media platform in the world right now. 1.8 billion people and users using LinkedIn in every month. Can you imagine? So this is a huge opportunity for you to connection request lots of people, then grow your LinkedIn profile, then client hunting for business purpose and any others purpose. So I'm going to here, then you can see this is a Farhan Faisal. So I click and this profile, you can see this is my friend already. So I again click on Mahiuddin. He's a Bangladeshi people. Then LinkedIn suggest me this profile. So if I want to click on connection request, then sent without a note. So this is easy. So LinkedIn already sent a notification this user. If this user accept my request, then he and me friends. Go. Then again go to a LinkedIn homepage, then type example of Puma group. Then again click on Puma group. You can charge any group, any locations, any people and anything charge related. Then follow up, scroll down, then post on people. Just click this icon. Then this is a huge opportunity for you for click on connection. If you want to add a note here, example of hey, my name is Kalam, I am highly interested to you for friendship and business purpose, any other, you can write anything here. You can see 200 letter are allowed on LinkedIn, so I am not interested here. Just I want to click without a note. This is simple. So if you have found this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel for the next video and others video. So if you have and feel any problem, feel free to let me know in a comment box. I will try to create or reply any comment because I love or read a comment. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.